Today I'm going to show you how to make Ginataang bilo-bilo. I'm using Mochiko. This is a glutinous rice, sweet rice. If you can read it. I'm going to add water. The consistency I want with this is like mashed potato. There's too much water, so I'm gonna add more, not too much. So this is the right consistency. It looks like mashed potato. Okay, I'm gonna put a little flour in my hand. Then I'm gonna get a small piece like this, and then just make a ball there. This is purple camote from my garden. This is store-bought white camote. This is taro root. Add this coconut cream. I use coconut cream. I don't use coconut milk. Coconut cream is better than coconut milk. 2 cups of water to boil. Now boiling, so now I'm gonna add the taro root, the white and purple camote, I'm gonna add the balls, the rice flour balls. We call this in the Philippines bilo-bilo. I need more juice. Since it calls for sugar, I'm gonna use the juice of the jackfruit. The juice of the jackfruit is very sweet. I'm cooking this for my husband because my husband has sweet tooth, although I'm gonna eat also some, even though I'm diabetic. So add more coconut milk. It's not that sweet yet, so I'm gonna add the sugar. This is stevia. This is kaong. I don't have tapioca, I don't have banana, so I'm adding what I have in my pantry. Once you see the bilo-bilo floating, it means they're cooked. A little bit of salt. It's done. So this is our ginataang halo-halo. The color is pinkish because of the purple kamote.